Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. In today's video, I will share with you my trifectas and also show you how to convert them into different styles so you can get more use out of them. Let me show you the first one. This one is Louis Vuitton Toiletry pouch in size 26. I got this few months ago, so let me show you in the past few months. I could get all three of them, and this is the next size. This one is the largest in size 26, and this one is in size 19. So there will be one more in here. Look at this one. Look how cute it is. This one is toiletry pouch in size 15. So the toiletry pouch from Louis Vuitton comes in 3 different sizes. So this is the largest one, and then the 19, and then the 15. You can see the difference here. I also did the video individually. If you want to check them out, you can click on the link above. In those videos, I also share with you what would fit inside these pouches too. Now let's go to the next one. Look at this one. How beautiful the color, right? This is Pochette Kirigami from a scale collection this year in summer 2020. On here you just see one logo, big logo on the back, and it has silver buttoned. So let me show you the inside. Look at this interior, how beautiful. It has ballerina pink interior, and I also had a video unboxing this one if you want to check it out more in detail and what would fit inside these two. Let me show you the smaller size. Look how pretty. This is in blue, tie-dye color from dark blue to light blue to white. It is so pretty. And let's take a look inside. It has like navy blue interior, and there will be one more in here. Look at this one. It is so tiny, and it has red, purple, pink, white, different tones in here. Very nice. And it has red interior. Let me show you the next one right here. Look at this one. These are mini pochette accessoires. So I got this one in damier ebene, and this one is in damier azur, and this one is monogram. You can tell this one is a little different from these two, right? Because these are mini pochette, and this one is the smaller piece from the multi pochette accessoires. It has almost the same features of the mini pochette. That's why I included in this trifecta, but it's a little longer in length and it's a little taller in height compared to the mini pochette. My phone fits in here perfectly. Let me show you right here. You can see my phone. If I want to use this as a catch-all or just a mini purse, then I can have my phone in here. But the mini pochette, my phone 11 Pro Max doesn't fit in. So, as you may know, in March, the US started the lockdown. All the stores closed and we couldn't go out for shopping. So I started shopping online more. I went to Louis Vuitton website and started to see if any hard to get items available. And I was so surprised that I saw these 2 pieces available. The mini pochette in damier azur and in damier ebene. So I got them both and was thinking getting another one in monogram, but shortly after I get these two mini pochettes, I could also score the multi-pochette. So I think it's just like perfect for me. I didn't need to get another multi-pochette in monogram because this is similar. It's just a little different from each other. The chain is a little different, as you can see here. And the size is a little bigger, but my phone 11 Pro Max fit in here, so it works out perfectly. Although they are not exactly the same, they are very similar. I consider them as the mini pochette trifecta. Now let me show you how I would convert them into different styles. Let's go with the toiletry pouch first. This toiletry pouch is in size 26. I bought this felt insert to fit this one, and it took me 2 months to get this one. So I ordered from May and I just got it recently. This felt insert has the 2D rings, so you can connect the strap or string, and also it has 2 slip pocket on one side and 1 zip pocket on the other side. So you can use it as a clutch, or you can use it as a crossbody bag or as a shoulder bag. Let me put in here and show you. So the inside, if you want to use this as a clutch, you can do so, but if you want to put the strap on to make it a crossbody bag or a shoulder bag, you can also do it. And the same with the toiletry pouch size 19. You can also get the felt organizer to use it as a crossbody bag or a shoulder bag, but I didn't order because I don't think I will use this as a crossbody bag. But if you do want to use it as a crossbody bag or a shoulder bag, you can connect the strap too. Even if you don't want to buy the insert, you can still use it with the strap or the chain. These pieces are so versatile. I'm so happy that I could get them all in different sizes. They are exactly the same, they just different in sizes. These pieces are very classic. Even if they are not in use, you can still display it on your vanity. So they are very practical to me. Each of them has its own function, but you can use them for whatever purpose needed. Like this one is similar to the mini pochette. You can use it as a catch-all because it has white depot interior. You can have a worry-free from these pouches. And so the next one in size 19, you can also use it as a catch-all or small clutch. As I keep mentioning, they are so versatile, especially this one. You can use this as a clutch, a catch-all, or a crossbody bag or a shoulder bag. I think they are all very practical. I love it. For these 3 pieces, they are so cute, they are so lovely. for this one, it fits a credit card or the business card, and this one fits a passport, and this one fits a mini iPad. So they are very practical. I wouldn't use this to keep my iPad because I have bigger iPad, but I will use this as a clutch or a crossbody bag. I already have the insert in here. You can see it is pink and it's similar to the pink interior. It also has the D-rings on the side here that you can connect the strap or the chain on. It also have a zip pocket in here. With this kirigami, you can only use the small clasp right here, something like this small or this small. But if you use something like this big, something big like this doesn't go with this small D-ring. Just to let you know, this strap is from Pochette Matisse and it is too big for this D-ring. So something small like this or like this would be better. With these, you probably already know they are so functional, practical, and versatile. It is very playful to use as a crossbody bag or a shoulder bag because it's tiny. It holds just a little essentials. But if I do want to take my phone, this one would hold the phone perfectly. So what do you think? What do you think about my Trifecta? Do you like them? Do you like any of them? Maybe you already have the mini pochette, the toiletry pouch, or the kirigami, but I want to do this video to share with you how I convert them into different style so you can have better idea if you decide to buy any of these, so you can get more use out of it. And you can also see how versatile they are. The toiletry pouch Trifecta, these pieces are so classic. In the kirigami set, these pieces are so cute, so playful to wear. And the mini pochette, they will be very fun to wear as a crossbody bag or a shoulder bag. But for me, these are all my bags most of the time because it holds everything I need. I don't really use wallet anymore because I put everything in here. You know, it fits my credit cards fit in here, my driver license. It holds everything I need. I hope this video can give you better idea to decide what to buy next. If you're interested in this type video, please consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the notification bell below to get notified every time I upload a new video, which will be every week. And also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I'm looking forward to see you in my next video. Have a fabulous day and a beautiful life. Bye now.